February.
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Winter is here.
And Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Today on Wake and Make, we're going to be making a Valentine's Day pendant. The tree of life.
And the mushroom from right here on the land.
Alright, we're going to be taking this mushroom in resin blank. I've stabilized the mushroom, I've cast it in resin, I've cut it square, prepped it. My customer sent me her Tree of Life charm. She would like her boyfriend to have it forever. I'm going to grind off the existing loop and drill a hole in the resin blank, fill it back up with resin before I even start shaping it.
I found someone, don't let me down, 'cause you know it from the start. She's got me holding on and I'm spinning round and round. You're always standing by my side.
I'm lucky, this charm fits inside the force in the hole perfectly. All I've got to do is pop it back out, glue it in place with a little CA glue, mix up some resin, pour it on top, let it sit overnight, and I'll shape my piece tomorrow.
So you better leave me never.
I have 2 ounces of resin and 2 ounces of hardener in each of these cups. I'm going to mix them together. The reason I'm not doing just a little bit for that little itty bitty hole is the less resin you mix with, the more room for error. You need to have this 50-50, so extending it out, I'm not wasting resin because I got plenty of stuff I can cast.
You can tell when it's getting close to done because the resin will start to clear out. See if we can get the focus. The cup will start to heat up.
I'll be doing all the work, or almost all the work, on this old Craftsman belt sander. I picked this up on Craigslist for 200 bucks. They're out there, you can find them. Came with a nice stand.
Subscribe, please subscribe.
And like this video, because there's plenty more to come.
never saw us break, and they never saw us cry. We always kept our head down, so they couldn't even try. So we stayed the course, and in the end it all paid off. We were finally in first place, the ones who can't be caught.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
So we stayed the course, and in the end it all paid off. We were finally in first place, the ones who can't be caught. We had to take our time and provide a lot of care. We knew no one would help us if they saw us standing there. So we never broke, and they never made us cry. We always kept
The into the grits you get, really the less time you have to spend on them. I probably spent a good 20 to 30 minutes with the 120 grit, and another good 5 to 10 with the 220. But I can really roll right on through with the 6, the 12, and the 2000. 12. Sanding. Standing on my knees, standing on the stool, standing on the workbench.
I love you so, you're my only one. I wanna steal a kiss and watch the setting sun. You're my sugar darling, I'm your loving man, and I'm hoping I can take your hand. Walk with me down by the railroad, singing me a melody. We could take an hour, picking up some flowers, dreaming of the birds and me. We could get to talking, wishing we were walking underneath the old oak tree.
There we are, all finished up.
When you bend my will, the lips stop working and my eye goes blind, but it happens to me every time. You know I love you so, you're my only one. I wanna steal a kiss and watch the setting sun. You're my sugar darling, I'm your loving man, and I'm hoping I can take your hand.
Thank you, folks. Please like and subscribe.